Hi, I just wanted to talk today about my experience with having a breast reduction done by Dr. Pousti in San Diego. I had my breast reduction done 2 weeks ago, and before my surgery, I was a 34 F cup, very large chested. I am 5'6", and I was about 135 pounds before surgery. So, I'm very small, and just the size of my breasts, it was very disproportionate on my body. I experienced a lot of pain in my neck and my back, my shoulders. I wasn't able to exercise the way I wanted to. I felt ashamed of my body, very uncomfortable with the way I looked and the attention that I received because of the size of my breasts. And I'm a mother. My son is 9 months old, and just picking him up and holding him was difficult for me, just because the weight of my chest plus his weight, it was hard to hold him for long periods of time. I actually couldn't even get him comfortable on me. Like, he was so far out, like my chest was just in the way, and it was very disappointing, because I felt like, there were so many things that I wasn't able to do before the surgery. And so a couple months ago, I really decided to, pursue the breast reduction. And I went through my insurance, and I was doing some research online, looking at some pictures on Google of the breast reductions, and one of the pictures really stood out to me, and I clicked on that picture and it took me to Dr. Pousti's website. And so I started going through his gallery of the breast reductions that he had done, and I was just very impressed by the quality of the work. I felt pretty excited seeing the before and afters that he had done, and I decided that I wanted to go ahead and have my consultation done by him. So I booked my appointment. I live 2 hours away from Dr. Pousti's office, so it was definitely a big step to make, but now I'm looking back and 2 weeks post surgery, and I can tell you it's been worth it. So I met Dr. Pousti at my first consultation. Very impressed with him. He definitely gave me the impression of being a very competent doctor, knows what he's doing. I felt very comfortable, at ease. I was equally impressed with his staff, all very kind ladies. They really went out of their way to make sure that I felt comfortable, and that if I had any anxieties, they really talked me through everything. They were definitely a big part of my overall experience. And so we filled out the insurance application, and 2 weeks later I found out that I was approved for the surgery, so that was a great day. I had my surgery, and it went really well. The first week, every day I was called by one of the ladies from Dr. Pousti's office. I was called by Dr. Pousti himself, checking on me, because like I said, I live pretty far away. But every day they called to see how I was doing, to see how my recovery was going. And that was really great, because if I had any questions, they were there to answer. My second week, I'm doing even better. Like I said, 2 weeks out, and I feel great. I already see, the benefits of the surgery in my life. Things are different. I can already see it. First of all, the neck, back, and shoulder pain is pretty much gone. At first I didn't even realize, but then I started noticing, like, I should be in pain by now, but I'm not, and I walk with my shoulders back. I don't have that weight on my chest anymore, and sometimes like I don't even believe it because it's just so different from what I've known for as long as I can remember. And yeah, I just feel really great. Another great thing is that I'm able to hold my son to me, you know. I'm not feeling that heavy weight, and I can hold him close to me, have him really comfortable on me, and I wasn't able to have that before, so I'm really grateful for that. Yeah, just things are just getting better and better with every day that passes, so my experience with Dr. Pousti has been really great, and I'm very, very happy that I made this decision. It's probably one of the best decisions I've made in my life so far. So yeah, I would definitely refer anyone that is considering having a breast reduction done, go to Dr. Pousti. He's great. You know, I live 2 hours away, and I went, you know, so it doesn't matter where you are. You should totally, you know, check him out. He's a great doctor.